सहाफ़ियों को किस हद तक मकामी इक़दार और सियासी तर्ज़ फ़िक्र का पाबंद होना चाहिए, इस बारे में हम बात करेंगे वाशिंगटन के म्यूज़ियम इंस्टीट्यूट में फ़र्स्ट अमेंडमेंट सेंटर की एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर लता नॉट से, जो दुनिया भर में आज़ादी सहाफ़त की सूरत हाल पर नज़र रखती हैं। लता, वेलकम टू व्यू 360. So we had a heated debate and a political party in Pakistan believes that certain broadcasters that are funded by the United States are not covering issues the way they would like. They don't feel that their point of view is being covered. But most importantly, they have also said that reporters are not taking care of the religious sentiments, and also the security establishment is also not being their issues are not being discussed in a respectful manner. My question is, when somebody believes that certain social and political thought is not being respected, what responsibility do journalists have to giving them credence?
Well, I think the responsibility of a journalist is to keep people informed about the world around them. And naturally, different journalists and people from different news media outlets bring their own perspectives and, yes, their own biases to their coverage. But the solution to that is that news consumers, the people, should rely on as many diverse and reliable news sources as possible. News that is perhaps not as respectful as you'd like to certain cultural norms, that shouldn't be viewed as a threat. That's information that you should take into account when forming your opinions, even if you disagree with it at the end of the day.
So, जहाँ तक तो सहाफ़ियों की ज़िम्मेदारी है, लता ने कहा कि 100% अनबायस्ड यानी 100% बैलेंस्ड तो कोई भी नहीं हो पाता, लेकिन इसके लिए ज़रूरी फिर यह है कि जो लोग न्यूज़ को कंज्यूम करते हैं यानी नाज़रीन और क़ारीन, वो मुख्तलिफ़ सोर्सेज ख़बरों के देखें और उससे अपने जो ओपिनियन है उसको फॉर्म करें. लता, how much should journalists be bound by what is already considered acceptable in a society, whether it comes to political thought, whether it comes to views on security establishment, foreign policy, all of these issues?
I think what should bind a journalist is being credible and providing the people with the most accurate information possible. Other than that, I don't think there should be boundaries on what can be expressed, because journalists, their duty is to express the truth.
तो सहाफ़ियों की ज़िम्मेदारी ये है कि वो सच और दुरुस्त मालूमात फ़राहम करें, लेकिन किसी भी इलाक़े में, किसी भी मुल्क में जो ऑलरेडी काबिल क़बूल तर्ज़ फ़िक्र है या किसी भी इदारे के बारे में जो सोच है, उसको आगे बढ़ाना या उसकी हिमायत करना सहाफ़ियों की ज़िम्मेदारी नहीं. उनकी ज़िम्मेदारी ये है कि वो सिर्फ दुरुस्त हक़ाइक़ लोगों के सामने पेश करें. We see that there is, a couple of weeks ago also in Balochistan, we saw that various journalistic organizations, especially newspapers, were threatened that if certain parties, especially their militant groups, if their point of view is not published as they would like for it to be, then they will not allow for newspapers to be distributed. That issue was resolved, and now we have this issue in front of us. In America, we see there is a sort of a fight almost between liberal and conservative points of view, and conservatives here believe that their point of view is not being given enough time. In Pakistan, liberals feel most of the time that their point of view doesn't have enough space, that most of the space is taken by conservative school of thought. Where do you see media fitting into this?
Well, media is torn sometimes between providing a balanced perspective, and also, as I said, news media outlets do bring their own perspectives to it and their own biases. I think that's unavoidable. I would say that as long as each side has an outlet, has a voice, I think that people will gravitate naturally towards the media that they agree with. So that does happen. But as I said, I think it's important that people just listen to both sides when they're making up their minds.
तो ये तो होगा, मीडिया इस वक्त लता की नज़र में, चाहे वो अमेरिका में हो चाहे पाकिस्तान में हो, मुख्तलिफ तर्ज़ फ़िक्र के दरमियान में एक तरह से फंसा हुआ है. लेकिन ज़रूरी ये है कि लोगों के सामने इन्फॉर्मेशन रख दी जाए. हाँ, लोग उस इन्फॉर्मेशन की तरफ जाएंगे ज़्यादातर जिससे वो ऑलरेडी एग्री करते हैं, जिससे वो ऑलरेडी मुत्तफ़िक़ हैं, लेकिन सहाफ़ी बहरहाल उनको वही इन्फॉर्मेशन देनी होगी जो उनके सामने है. In terms of freedom of press, how do you see this playing out? This pressure on news outlets in Pakistan is an issue for freedom of press at a larger scale as well. So looking at the fact that there are a lot of news outlets, whether it's in Pakistan or at a national level, but there is also greater pressure on news outlets to give information that pleases one side and not the other. So in terms of freedom of press, how do you see this playing out?
Well, I think the press is very resilient, and in Pakistan, despite extraordinary pressures and threats, they have been doing their jobs, and that's something that I think is very admirable. And so I do see that while they are under threat right now, I think press norms grow stronger, especially when the citizens, when the people demand to have more information, to have more accurate information.
Instead of actually suppressing it.
Exactly.
All right. तो लता कहती हैं कि पाकिस्तान में जो सहाफ़ी हज़रात हैं, जो सहाफ़त के शोबे से मुंसलिक अफराद हैं, वो बहुत हिम्मत का मुज़ाहिरा कर रहे हैं, बहुत रिजिलियंट है, यानी दबाव के बावजूद फिर वापस अपनी ड्यूटी करने के लिए न सिर्फ इंडिविजुअल सहाफ़ी आते हैं बल्कि इदारे भी अपने जो काम है उसको आगे बढ़ाने में मसरूफ़ हैं। ज़्यादा जो एक बेनिफिट वो देखती हैं कि होगा वो इस तरह से होगा कि अगर आम लोग जो न्यूज़ को कंज्यूम करते हैं, जो ख़बरें सुनते हैं और अखबारात पढ़ते हैं, डिफरेंट मीडिया आउटलेट्स को करते हैं, यूज़ करते हैं, वो अगर इनको आगे बढ़ाएं इस कॉज़ को कि तमाम तर इंफॉर्मेशन सामने आनी चाहिए, इंफॉर्मेशन को दबाया नहीं जाना चाहिए बल्कि उसको सामने आना चाहिए। और इस इशू पे अगर आम लोग भी सहाफ़ती इदारों के साथ खड़े हों तो सहाफ़ती इक़दार भी मजबूत होंगी और आज़ादी सहाफ़त का जो मामला है वो भी ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से आगे बढ़ सकेगा। लता, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम एंड फॉर योर इंसाइट, रियली अप्रिशिएट इट।
Thank you for having me.